Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn work experience formatting for To enable LinkedIn work experience formatting for ATS-style scanning, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your photo at the top right corner. Scroll down to the Experience section of your profile. To edit an existing position, click the pencil icon next to the job title you want to modify. If you want to add a new position, click the plus sign icon. In the title field, enter your job title clearly and accurately. Next, in the company field, type the full name of your employer. For the location field, specify the city and state where you worked. In the time period section, select the month and year when you started and ended the position. Now, focus on the description field. Use bullet points for your responsibilities and achievements for better clarity. Start each bullet point with strong action verbs to highlight your accomplishments. Keep your descriptions concise and relevant to the job you are targeting. Ensure that your formatting is consistent throughout all entries in this section. Avoid using complex characters or special formatting that may confuse applicant tracking systems. After entering all relevant information, review your entries for any errors. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the edit window. Repeat these steps for each job entry to ensure uniformity. Once all entries are updated, preview your profile to check for proper formatting. Lastly, consider using keywords relevant to your industry within your descriptions. Now, your LinkedIn work experience section should be optimized for ATS-style scanning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.